Well, hello lovelies and welcome back. Alright, are you ready for this? The best damn chocolate cookies ever. Oh, you're going to absolutely love these. The first thing we do is preheat our ovens at 170 degrees Celsius and we get out as many baking trays as you've got with baking paper. If you've only got one, we just do it in batches, it's no big deal. Alright, the recipe below as always to make it easy for you guys. 1 cup of plain flour. Now next we need to put in half a cup of cocoa powder. I use this black and gold cocoa powder, and as far as I'm concerned it shits all over the expensive ones. So half a cup. Now we want half a teaspoon of bicarb soda, also known as baking soda. Alright, we want to mix them in really well and set it aside. Now in a large bowl we want to put 2 eggs. We now want to add 1 1/4 cups of caster sugar. Now we want to get our electric beater out and beat it. So you want to beat it until it looks like this, which took me about 3 minutes on low. Now we set that aside for a minute and get out a small saucepan. First of all, we put 110 grams of butter chopped up in there. I always use unsalted butter for absolutely everything. The next thing we need to put in there is 150 grams of dark chocolate melts. I like using the good brand for this part, but you can use whatever you've got. So get 150 grams and whack it in there. Now we want to take it to our stove top, and on the lowest possible heat we want to melt it down. Do never walk away from it. Keep stirring it. As soon as it's all melted through to each other, take it straight off, grab our egg and sugar mix and have that ready to go. Once we've melted our butter and chocolate together, we pour it in. Give it a good mix through. Alright, once we've mixed that through, get ready for an arm workout. Now we want to put our flour mixture in there and mix it all in. So the last thing we need for these amazing cookies is 250 grams of mini dark choc chips. Now I normally just use the black and gold brand for this, but these are Woolies home brand, so I thought I'll try these out today. So 250 grams works out to 1 1/2 cups. So any choc chips that you've got, cooking choc chips, whack them in there. Now give it a really good stir through. If you're a cookie dough lover, mate, you've just found the best cookie dough ever. Oh mate, I'm so excited. Alright, so we get our baking tray with our baking paper, and I've just got a normal dessert spoon anyone would use at home for your cereals or whatever. I get a massive amount on it, like that. Now if when you pick it up it's sticking to your hands, just leave it sit there for a couple more minutes, because the chocolate that we've got in there, as it slowly hardens up, this will harden up for you to roll without it getting stuck to your fingers and that. Alright, that's a huge ball. Alright, so I do 3 to a tray because they're so big. Once we've rolled our huge balls, you just want to push them down about halfway. Now in my electric oven they take exactly 12.5 minutes. Oh my god, the smell up in this joint is amazing. Everybody's been pounding me to make these forever. I haven't made them in ages. Look at that. Perfect cookies every time. Okay, so when you pull them out they're really soft. Like, I won't even touch them, my finger will go straight through them. So you have to leave them, you can eat them hot, you've just got to leave them for a good 4 or 5 minutes to get hard enough for you to be able to pick them up and eat them. And as they cool down, the harder they get. Now if you don't have a cooling rack, it doesn't matter, just slide it out onto a bench somewhere. So what you want to do is just grab your paper, lift up your tray and gently slide them. Okay, and then you leave them sitting there or on a bench or wherever until they completely harden up. And keep on going. Everybody's like, cookies! And I completely forgot to say goodbye and break one open and everything. It's like, oh my god, stop! I need some back! Alright, so what I've done is I've got a light sitting there, and I'm hopefully that's going to be enough for you to see. And oh, freaking flies everywhere. Does my head in today. Okay. Go around the camera. See if I can do it. Oh, I couldn't speak then because my face was right next to it. There you go, lovelies. Oh, look. They're just flat out freaking amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. I hope one of you do these really soon. And then write a comment down below for me, because I'm telling you, your whole family is going to love you for them. Bye.